Another thing we're going to talk about in the workshop is a sense of place. Place matters. It's one of these things that most actors don't take into consideration. And there's a lot of little things like that. I tell people it's like when you're cooking. It's not one ingredient that makes the dish. It's a little bit of everything, and nothing should stand out. You blend it perfectly. Place is one of those things that to most people they go, it doesn't really matter where it's at. It matters. Whose home is it? Is it your house? Is it a sense of I've arrived and I've worked so hard to pay for this mortgage? Is it a sense of I'm home and I've inherited this house, so it means something to me? You look around for pictures that aren't really there on the set, but they feed you. It matters. Is this a restaurant that you frequent with someone you love? And now you're going to that same restaurant for a memory, or you're going to a different restaurant. None of this is in the script, but great actors put it there. They make that restaurant matter. I go to certain coffee shops for a reason. They give me a certain vibe, and I like that. And I'll take different people to one place, different people to another place. You need to think like that as an actor. It adds certain flavors to your acting. You're not just at the beach, you're at a beach, a very specific beach that reminds you of something. You could look off into the pier and have a childhood memory. Nothing is neutral in our world. The problem is when they take you on a film set, it's going to be neutral. It's not going to be your beach, so you have to learn how to create it yours. You have to learn how to make it matter. Kazan said, if you don't make the furniture and the place real, you're just an actor standing in front of them. You're not actually living in it. You have to learn that. You have to know how to make all that real. Take it in before you open your mouth, before you say the words, because most actors just focus on the words. I know 90% of actors focus on the words and how the words will come out. That's got very little to do with acting. Take in place. It's a big one. It matters.